Hi, I'm Cyrus Elias, founder of Togu Knives and dedicated home chef. I, like most home cooks, know how nice it is to cut with a freshly sharpened knife. And, like a lot of cooks, I spend a bunch of money on high-quality knives just to find them dull after a few months. That's why I started Togu, a service that will keep sharp knives in your kitchen forever. Togu delivers 2 freshly honed knives to your home every 8 weeks. Togu knives are made in Japan from the highest quality materials. You'll love how they feel. When your new knives arrive, take out the sharp set, replace the old ones, stick on the return label, and just drop the package in your mailbox. No matter what you're cooking, every chef needs a sharp knife. Join Togu today for sharp knives delivered.